Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is make sure that we got the arm pads set correctly. So the chair that we're gonna have on top of the stack, we're gonna want the arm pads to be down, and the chair on the bottom of the stack, we're gonna want the arm pads to be up. You wanna make sure that the cylinders are all the way down as well, so it's not too top heavy. The seats all the way in. What you're gonna want to do next, just grab it right by there in the base, flip it up, make sure that the arm pads are lined up correctly. And then just making sure that you're holding it steady. So you just want to make sure you're tying it securely on the very bottom of the bottom chair so that we can get a good wrap of the entire thing. And now, with someone else holding on tightly, we're gonna slowly spin the two chairs. Just making sure the whole thing is wrapped nice and tight. That should be good. There you go.
Okay, to load a semi with your Amias, you want to put 4 in a row, and one of those is going to be sideways, and you want to change where that is in the lineup each time so you don't, get an uneven row. And then after about 5 rows, we tend to strap it. Make sure it's strapped really tight, and then for each 5 after that, you want to strap.